Hello everyone. Welcome to the 4th March 2025 US stock market AI stock alerts. Today we will go through a couple of charts and we'll let you know how we traded today. If you like to join, please comment in comment section. We might open it, but depends on certain criteria. But yeah, if you're interested in learning more how to trade, all those things, do subscribe to us and please put the comment. Also, I will share the email address with you shortly so that you can email us and then we can learn. We can teach you how you make money with us. Cool. Okay, so first stock we traded today was TTD. So in TTD, you can see that trade desk. So the line crossed at $66, right? $65, 80 cents something. But we took trade at 66, 20, 30. So yeah, we were a little bit late, but the momentum was really good. So we took the trade and then we had a hard stop at 65.80, so 50 cents stop, and then you can see that it went all the way up to $68.76. So it was fantastic. $2, yeah, $2, more than $2 actually, $3 almost. 66, 67, and 68, and so $3 yeah, $3 trade, so that was fantastic. And market was going down, as you know, in beginning of the day. Like if we see, let me pull up the SPY chart. Yeah, so see, the market was where it was. It was here, like this. So as soon as it opened, we see that it didn't hold, and it just started crashing, crashing, crashing. All the margin calls happen. 573. This is the lowest I have seen in like maybe 6 months or 1 year, or I don't know. So this is really, like, you can see that it went really bad within just I think 2 weeks or 2 weeks or 3 weeks time frame. It just went from above 600 something to 570 three, almost 570, I would say. So yeah, that was pretty horrible, I would say, for traders, because most of people hit the margin call. And then also, like, another thing I want to teach you today is how to catch the bottom. So guys, this is very important to learn. Okay, this is called double bottom. So you can see it came down and then it bounced a little bit, but this is a strong bounce, right? So you can see it have one, two, three consecutive green candle. So that means it's almost started to bounce, right? But you see that what they did, they again crashed it, and you see that it hold this support, held this support 572.58. Now, in case if it didn't hold the support, it would go down even further down. That's what usually happens. So that's why when there is a first bounce, don't take it unless it goes really, really high. Like let's say it goes up till 578. Yeah, then maybe you can take, because then you're almost certain that it will go back to 580, 581, right? Because it's has pretty big bounce. But this is small, called small bounce, 1 or 2 point up, and then that's what it happened, right? So here we can see that it went down, hold the support. So that's the key point. You have to make sure that hold the support, and then it went up, and then you have to wait for it to break the upside. So upside was 576.19. So maybe if you have waited 576 for 50, then it will give you little bit safer side. Again, whenever you go long or short, make sure your support, you obviously, you make sure you have the stop loss. If you don't have stop loss, you can be dead. And when I was new, nobody taught me this, and like I lost lots of money that time. But since I learned, So you are getting free advice. So yeah, like and subscribe my channel, then I can make more videos like this, because if people will look at it like it, then I can create more video. Otherwise I will spend my time on vacation, because YouTube is just I'm doing because it's just my volunteer work. So okay, so basically you can see that once it started bounce, then it hold this line. You can see my two lines crossed, but and then it hold that one. So that's why I knew that market will go long. And you know what happened after this 1 o'clock time? I don't know. Wall Street had decided that they just want to keep buying, 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 and you see the just went all the way up until almost 3 o'clock and 3:20, I guess. Yeah, 3:20, 3:30. So this is nowadays it's super algo driven trade. It's very difficult, honestly speaking. Even we sometimes don't make money in this market. So this is a really tough environment, honestly speaking, because market is going up and down, up and down. So, but luckily we were able to make some money even today. Since last couple of months we are able to make. So that's why I started to teach students how to uh, make trade and make money. And yeah, like I have more than 15 years of trading experience. So yeah, most almost except 2 years I'm always profitable. Initial 2 years were really struggling because I didn't know all this thing. Nobody taught me, and you know I wasted money, thousands of dollars behind courses. So don't do that. Just subscribe my channel and get the free advice which you will get it from courses. So another trade I took today was Google. I know yesterday I told Google may not go too much, and yeah, it's usually don't go too much here or there. But today, it's, even the market was going down, as we just saw in previous SPY. You see, the Google was staying positive, right? It didn't break down. So I knew that as soon as market will turn around, this is the candidate to make money. And you can see, yeah, and then Google actually we got uh, uh, our attention here, 168, because it was 11:30, it didn't go down, and market also started bouncing at that time. So it Google got the bid, and you can see from 168 all the way to 173, which is $5 difference. So it went up $5, and that made lots of traders lots of money. Now I'm saying we don't disclose what how much money we make, but you can understand, like if you are in option you make lots of money. If you are stock buying, let's say 500 shares, then you make in this case $2,500, right? So it's all depends on your size, but you have to be on right side. And that's a difficult part of stock trading, because as I said, everything is algorithmic. The another one I traded was NVDA. So NVIDIA, I usually trade the NVDA because it's cheaper, and usually it moves same dollar amount as NVIDIA. So you can see this was again caught my attention because market was going down, but this was holding up pretty well. And initially it was even much stronger, right? $43 or $3 $4 it went up, then it went down a little bit. So when come it came